Here is a very, very strange Windmere fan. This is model 12C-200, made in February of 1998. I have personally never seen one of these before. It's a very strange looking fan. It's got that very iconic 90s modern styling to it for sure. But it's just very strange. It's a very odd piece. And I don't know if it works, I haven't tested it out yet. Metal guard, front and rear. And it's got some interesting clasping mechanism there. I don't know how to use it. I'm guessing it should be closed, but I'm not really sure how that works. And yeah, I paid $10 for this at the Habitat. So here it is, and let's see if it works. Well, the plug is not in good condition. That's probably not even going to fit into the outlet correctly. Oh, that's all mangled up. I don't understand how this happens. Okay, that's much better. And we'll start off with low. It's running very slowly. Oh my goodness, it actually oscillates. Windmeres never oscillate correctly. Well, we just witnessed a miracle. It doesn't seem like it's running properly, and it doesn't seem like it's a bearings issue either. The spin down is, shorter than it should be, but it doesn't seem like it's that locked up. It's hardly moving any air because it's not spinning fast enough to move any air. Well, let's go up to medium. That seems kind of more like a normal low speed for a 12-inch fan like this. High. High is working fine. It's throwing out a good breeze. Let's see if it's going to oscillate again. It's not very powerful, but it sounds like it's reached its full speed. Well, maybe this just doesn't move a lot of air, I don't know. That seems awfully slow. I mean, you can hardly even feel it moving in the air. I don't know, I tend to think there's something wrong with that low speed. I guess the bearings are kind of stiff. Well, we'll service it, clean it out, and see what happens.